welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some Scrap Diva design project shares. You can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com and get a 10% discount using the code PRESTRAMIC10. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. So I finally completed some more of the Western theme projects, and I also did finish one of the May theme project shares as well, so I'll be showing you those today. So we have, first up we have this one. This one is called the Disco Sheriffstar mini album. This Disco Star Sheriff mini album is using the Scrap Diva Designs Cowgirl Dreams exclusive paper collection, and I also used, over here you can see the ephemera on here, and it's really cute. She's wearing a hat. I added a hat on here and it just fits perfectly on this cowgirl, and it's really funny because this cowgirl is holding a glue gun, if you can see, instead of a gun, so it's like really funny. I thought that was cute and adorable. And I also love this Disco Sheriffstar mini album because you could add partial pieces of the fragments of the disco on here, and it just looks so cool like that. I just thought that was neat. And you can also make it into a shaker too, and all you have to do is just like, if you don't want to fill in the individual like pieces with some shaker bits or sequins, all you have to do is just cut along here these little bars, these lines, and then it'll just be one big piece for the foam, that is the foam. And then when you put the layering top piece, which is this disco, on top of your foam, and then it'll just look like the bars are there, but the foam itself is just this outline here, so your pieces will be just moving all around without you having to like fill in the little pieces. But if you want, you can still just leave the foam as is and fill it up individually if you like, but that's a shortcut. So yeah, just thought this was like so cute and pretty. I just love this paper, and yeah, this paper you can see here is like double-sided and it's really sturdy. I just love this paper. It's really good quality paper. And yeah, look at the back. It's like just so pretty. I love this pattern on there. So it's double-sided design paper, and this one has a disco wearing a hat and a cowboy boot with some flowers in there, and it says howdy, and then I just put howdy on the top here too. So yeah, whoops, sorry. I just love this, so pretty. And okay, let's move on. So next up we have this one here. This one is called there's several projects on here, so I'll just name them as we go along. And this one, this whole box is called the 3D rectangular gift box, and it includes two words, sending love and loving you. The loving you is inside this box. And so I just thought this box was really cool and beautiful at the same time. You could put lots of stuff in here. And so another project on this box, and I'll just show you the whole box. It looks like this, and the bottom looks like this. And on top of the box I used another project from the cowgirl theme from last month, this sheriffstar shaker, and this one is the small one. There's also a large one, and so I filled up some gold fillings in here, and it just looks so cool. And the paper for this is from a different collection. And I hang some dangles on the star. I punched two holes here, and yeah, I added this dangle, which is really pretty. And also from that month, the Western theme is these desert roses. Aren't they so pretty? I've added some of these stamens and then these gold ones, and I just hot glued them all in. Yeah, it's so pretty. And then yeah, and this is what it looks like. And the flap, I put some magnets in here. And once you open it up, ta-da! Isn't this so cool how it opens? And I used the Scrap Diva Designs Cowgirl Dreams paper for this as well. And as you can see, it's double-sided, and I made an effort to try to make the whole inside the same and then the outside all the same. And I just used just one 12 by 12 paper. But no worries if you can't. Like, there's two of the same designs, so yeah, so you'll have an extra piece of paper if you can't just use the one 12 by 12. There's two of each design. So yeah, and the designs are double-sided, so one side is this pattern and then the other side is this pattern. And I also used some I used 110-pound cardstock, if you can see this light blue paper, to make this box sturdier. And it's so cool. Just love this box. And here's the love you, the second word. And yeah, so cool. Magnet on this is like so amazing. And I find if you use a bigger, larger magnet, the neodymium ones, it sticks on better because it has a larger surface, so it could catch on better. So yeah. And next, let's go on to the next project. I just thought the next projects are like really magical. Well, that's my opinion, but anyways, let's introduce you to them. And they're called the 3D self-closing gift bag. And I made two because there's two designs for this set, this die set. And one design is with this heart edge, and it includes this heart. And you can also make this part here a shaker if you like. You have the option to do that. And also here's another one that's a different style. It has this kind of wavy kind of style to it. And I'm also using the Cowgirl Dreams collection here as well. And I made these paper clips. You don't necessarily have to, but I just thought it was cute to put something here. And yeah, so let me demonstrate. And it just opens like this. See, you just press on the sides here like this, and it opens and closes, and it just contains anything inside there. It's just so cool. Isn't this cool? Like, it just closes on its own without anything. And it's really easy to make this this 3D self-closing gift bag. It's so awesome. And here you can see the double-sided design paper here. And you could put lots of things in here, like candy, or you know, if you made a bracelet, you can put them, or if you bought a bracelet, you can gift it and put it in this little pouch. It's just so cute. I just thought that was like really cool. So the same thing with this box too. Just squeeze it and then it opens. So just so magical. And finally, we have another magical project. I think it's magical. It's this one. It's called the Cute Gift Box. It's great for Mother's Day, which this is the theme that I did. And also birthdays, anything. It doesn't include this rosette, so but it's also from Scrap Diva Design. It's the heart rosette. Number 2. I think it's like all sold out, but you can hit the button to notify you if it comes back in stock. And I think there was a rosette number 1 that is heart design too. I don't know if you can see, they're like hearts in here, and then it has this heart thing. And also from Scrap Diva Design are these really nice frilly flowers that were from last year. I think I made it. It was like during springtime, and it's just so pretty how I added the like ladybug and all these little kind of pearls and gems on there. It's just so pretty. And yeah, and these words are from my stash. And it's just so, and so the straw is like, I don't remember how many diameters, but I can show you when I open this box up. I just thought this is a cute gift box. Because of the design here, it looks so pretty. As you can see, it's like a flower. It's a pretty design, and the reason why I think it looks magical is, I mean, like, I think it's magical is like it just like is like self-enclosing again. You just open it up like this. Isn't this cool? It's like it just grabs onto the straw like it's like holding on for dear life or something, and it's like so cool. Look how much stuff you can put in here. Definitely lots of candy or like some paper embellishment for swaps, happy mail, snail mail, anything. It's just so cool. I just thought this was cool. And then it closes and it just grips onto the straw like this. Like, it's so cool. And so the straw is like, I'll show you how many diameters. Just take it out. There's like a little circle thing to hold on to it, if you can see there. And so the diameter for the straw is it's about 1/2 centimeter, so it's 5 millimeters in diameter. So yeah, so you put the straw in, and this includes the circle thing. You just like stack it up, and then you push the straw in like this to hold it, and then you put this on there, and it's like, ta-da! It's so magical, don't you think so? And yeah, that's all the projects that I have for you today, and I'll list all the links where you can get these, and they're all going to be down in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!